Hello everybody, welcome back to another video I have not uploaded in a long time. I'm not sure if you can notice, but I've got some nice new lights. So on with the video. Today we're going to be making leader stats, and if you haven't heard of leader stats, well, it's these points, like display thing, bar, that they display like your points or whatever you want to put in the top right of the screen. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. But guys, I'll be totally honest with you, I'm running out of ideas. So if you guys do have any ideas, make sure to let me know in the comments below, and I'll do that for you. And also let me know if you want to have like a new series again, you know. But yeah, let's go. Alright, so when you're in Roblox Studio, you can go ahead and begin. I don't know why I'm doing a face cam. Haven't done it in a while, so I just thought, might as well. So you're gonna open Roblox Studio, and you should see something a bit like this. Let me just put it full screen, like that. And you just decide you just want to click on classic base plate or base plate. Literally doesn't matter. I'm just gonna click on the normal base plate, and you should spawn in hopefully. So now what we want to do is actually want to start making the leader stats. So to make leader stats, we need to instance, and we need to make a folder. So we're gonna make a function, local function. It's gonna be called on player join, just like that. And then for the parameter, you want to put player. So this is where we make the folder. We're gonna do local leader stats. Make sure you name it leader stats, or else it won't work. I'm gonna do it to equal to instance dot new folder. Cool. And now what we want to do, we want to go to leader stats, go down the line, leader stats name is equal to leader stats, and then leader stats dot parent is equal to the player. So we're going to store this leader stats inside the player's character. Next, we want to make our actual currency, so we'll show up. So you can call this whatever you want. I'm just going to call this is a variable, so this actually won't be the name. So I'm just going to call this blah. Blaj. There we go, blaj. But you know what, let's just call it points. Local points, and then we're going to do instance.new int value. Just like that. And then I'm going to call it, so we're going to do points dot name is equal to, so this is actually the actual name of your currency, so I'm going to call it points, just like that. I'm going to do coins dot value, points dot value is equal to 0. So you can change the value to literally, so pretty much what we're saying here is that when we spawn off in the game, the number here, that's the amount of points we're going to start with. So I'm just going to start with 0. And then we're going to do coins.parent. I keep on saying coins. It's actually points.parent is equal to leader stats. So pretty much what we're doing is we're putting the coins inside. So pretty much what we're doing is, I keep on saying points, coins is really annoying. So you're going to put the points. So pretty much what we're doing here, let me explain the whole script so far. And what just happened? Okay. Alright, so pretty much we're making a event. So when the player joins, it's going to make a folder inside the player, right here. A new folder, new folder. We're going to call the folder leader stats. And then the parent of the folder is going to be the player. So it's going to be stored inside the player. Next, we're making our currency, the points. It's going to be a new int value. So integer is like integer is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on, so on. The difference between a number value and an int value is that a number value can have a decimal, but an int value can't. An integer value can't have a decimal, we only have numbers. And then what we're doing here, we're calling the name point, and then we're making the starting value 0, then the parent leader stats. So pretty much we're putting the points inside the Leaderstats folder. Alright, so once we've done that, we can just finish off by making a cool thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a while true do, and we're going to do points. We're going to do wait one points dot value is equal to points dot value plus 1. Pretty much what we're doing is every 1 second you're going to get 1 point. Cool. So once you've got that, pretty much what should happen now is, so it's going to add a folder. It's going to add coins inside the points inside the folder, and every 1 second we get a point. We get 1 new point. But yeah, that's pretty much the basics of Leaderstats right there. You can go ahead and test it, but before you test it, make sure you put speech marks around the Leaderstats, or else it won't work. It'll give you like nil or something like that. And now what we need to do is we need to quickly call the event. That's really simple. Just gonna do game.players.player added connect to on player join. Boom. There we go, and hopefully that should work. Let's go ahead and play it. Yep, no errors, and there we go. We got my name right there, and we've got the points up here, just as we said before. And as you can see, every 1 second we're getting 1 point, and you can change that number to anything you want. So guys, if that did help, make sure to subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you want next and what kind of stuff I should do. And guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.